another maxim. So on this maxim, hardship calls for relief. Let us look at the hardship other animals are facing. What can we do to bring relief? We're cutting down their trees. Is there anybody who is planting trees that this animal will perch on? A bird can get to rest before it moves to the next. Trees that insects would fester on and eat the leaves. And the Prophet ﷺ said, anything you plant and a human being or any creature will feed from or benefit from, you have a reward from Allah. So the need for us to really look at these maxims, study other cultures that have been able to have a more humble footprint, ecological footprint on the planet. How have people in other places been able to live more peacefully with their environment? So the need to respect and study other cultures. In our own traditional African cultures and in the traditional African religions, there are some things for us to learn, to be reminded. Remember, in every culture, Allah has sent prophets. Some of them just forgot their prophets, came up with all sorts of superstitions. But one of those things that I think we need to see how to collaborate, even with idol worshippers. The Prophet had treaties of Hudaybiyah with mushrikun, idol worshippers, is in the protection of forests. In the traditional area, when I did my NYSC in Oru, Ijebu in Ogun State, that was around 1995. There was a juju forest. And I tried to understand more about the juju forest. And if I decide to, basically, without spending much time on this, a juju forest was where nobody went hunting. It was an area of special interest for ecological protection. Put aside the juju beliefs and all of that. But I would say in the whole of Ijebu land, there was nowhere that showed more rahmah, more compassion to animals than the juju forest. That was where other animals could get refuge and nobody would go hunting and killing them. We need more of these forest reserves. Yes, we can do without the juju beliefs, but it is important for us to recognize that other religions have belief systems that have helped them live more peacefully with their environment. And some of us need to learn, some of us need to be reminded of the importance of forest reserves. This is all in line with the surah, with the sunnah of the Prophet ﷺ and the sunnah of Nuh alayhi salam. So when we look at this subject area,